We see hell in this last voyage.
Too much in the depression, too much in the depression.
I'm professional seaman. I depend on the sailing, but you see what happened here. Maybe I find another job or something. Too much trouble.